How to fix Amazon app not loading. In order to fix loading or updating issue with the Amazon app, you could follow these basic steps. First thing first, you could force restart the app. That means completely close the Amazon app from your multitasking view and reopen it to clear the temporary glitch. So now you could launch open, that might be able to fix. Next thing, you also want to check your internet connection. For that, head over to your settings. There you go, internet and network, and go to internet section. And here you could just go ahead and switch between mobile data or Wi-Fi, and that's how you're going to fix things out. Next, you could also restart your device, as sometimes a temporary glitch can be solved with a simple restart as well. And apart from it, you could also check the server status or try updating the app by heading to your respective app store. For that, you just want to open your app store or your Play Store and type in Amazon on the search bar, and there you go. You could go ahead and update, install whatever you want to do. That should be able to fix. So this is how you're going to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.